Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to edit the photos in your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. This process is quite identical in every Samsung phone which has the One UI 8 or 7 and is flagship phone. At first, let's go into the gallery and select the photo we want to edit. For example, I do really love this purple flower photo. Here to edit we have to tap this pen icon, and now here we have a lot of options. Let's start with the crop one, which is default. Here with this button we can, as you can see, change the rotation of our image. With this button we can, as you can see, change the aspect ratio of this image, original, custom, wallpaper, 1:1, etc. We have, as you can see, aspect ratios, horizontal or vertical, and yes, that's how it works. Let's tap original and go next. Here, as you can see, we have the straightening options. For example, we can manage the angles over here. That's how it works. To reset the angle, just tap it. The same is with the horizontal, as you can see, and the vertical straightening. Here, if we tap this AI icon, which is this icon over here, as you could see in a moment, this over here, we can enter this sketch to image and generative edit. We can tap or draw around something to delete this from the image. Let's draw, for example, to this flower, so that this flower will be removed, and tap this eraser icon. Now we can, as you can see, generate, and the image is now, wait a moment, the image is now edited without the flower. We can tap done, and to revert the settings we can tap these three dots and revert to original, and that's how it works. Apart from that, we have in this sketch to image, we have to just tap here and just draw something. Let me draw a star. It doesn't look like a star, but who cares actually. Let's tap generate here, and now our image will be generated in our image itself, in our picture. Now, as you can see, we have a star in between our flower. We can tap done, and apart from that we can go back to AI, and here we can manage and we generate the background of our image, as you can see. Here we do have, as you can see, these blanks, and if we tap generate, it will be automatically generated in the background of our image. These are all AI features, so remember, these are cool features that only flagship phones have. And yes, now we have this generated. Now we can go further. Here, as you can see, we have fillers. With this plus we can create our own filler. That's how it works. Now we can click done. This is our filter that we can select from our image, or we can select, as you can see, every single order, which is auto 2, and manage it. Apart from that, here we have the duration of each filler that is pre-created for us, and it's that easy actually. For the fillers, we can just tap and set. Apart from that, we can tap this download icon and install every single filler that we have in this application, which is the Galaxy Store. And yes, that's all for the filters. Here, if we tap this thing over here, we can edit the photo as it is. If we tap auto, it will be automatically set to best quality. As you can see, we can feel the difference, but we can manage the light balance by my hand, brightness manually, exposure manually, contrast manually, shadows manually, highlights, saturation, tint, sharpness of the image, temperature of the image, definition, And yeah, that's all the settings. Apart from that, here we do have some less usable thing, which is the drawing, stickers and text. We can draw on our image, as you can see, and change the every single setting we have here. Some pens, some colors, as you can see, it's of course up to you. The eraser. Here, if we tap this, we can change stickers. Here, stickers. And now we can select the sticker we want to have. For example, here we have date, Wednesday, 17 September, Wednesday. Stickers. And as we have plenty of them, so we can experiment with this. It's up to you actually. And here we have text, and we can write something. Hard reset. And it's over here. It's hard reset actually, not hard reset, but who cares. And now if we tap this three things icon, we have here object eraser, which we had as actually earlier, but here we can erase reflections or erase the things from the image. So here erase reflections, and now our image will be erased from any reflections. And now we can tap done. And apart from that, here we have lasso. We can select, we can snap to shape, select manually, and manage these things in the image, move them, etc. Here, if we tap spot color, we can tap on the thing and take the color of it, and then done. Or color mix and manage the colors in our image manually. Done. Save copy. And this is the edited thing. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.